Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a React.js, Microsoft Excel, CSV and JSON editor directly in browser using TailwindCSS. So we are running this project on localhost. So with the help of this, you will be able to actually edit your Excel files with a similar Microsoft Excel editor. So you have this, you will be able to write in this. So I built this editor entirely inside React.js. So these are the actual directory structure. Each and every component is actually coded inside TypeScript. So I written this from scratch. You can see we are using the latest version of React and we are running this application locally. It's easy for you to deploy this as well. So if you need the source code, the link is given. You can directly purchase the source code. So after purchasing it, you will automatically get the source code from Google Drive. So let me show you the actual demo right here. So here you can add a new column. You can even import a new file if you have a CSV file, Excel file or JSON file. So right here, drag and drop here, whatever file that you want to edit. This is actually a complete editor. So now you will see successfully imported CSV. Similarly, you can import Excel and JSON file as well. So here you can basically remove anything, change anything after importing it. So this allows you to, after entering it, just press enter to save the changes. So after making the changes, you also have the option to validate as well. So all the things are validated and then you can click export. So either you can export this to JSON, CSV and Excel. So CSV file automatically exported here, it's successfully downloaded. Similarly, you also have option to export this to JSON as well. So it's an all-in-one editor for you for editing your CSV, JSON and Excel files. And same goes with Excel as well. So that Excel file will get downloaded. So in this easy way, this is all-in-one editor that I developed in React.js. So for this, we are also using Tailwind CSS as well. So all the files are customizable. You can add more features on top of this project. This is a full project here. And yeah, you can easily deploy this as well. So if you go to the package.json file, so there is also this build command which is given. You can build out this project and easily deploy this as well. So interface is similar to Microsoft Excel. It's a complete editor. It's completely responsive, I think. But it's a desktop application. The interface that I developed entirely resembles to Microsoft Excel, where you can perform all these operations. So these are auto format, refresh, clear button. So if you click clear, all the things would be deleted. So you have also the buttons for filter, adding row, deleting row, validating, refreshing. So here you can create multiple projects as well. You also have the undo and redo button as well. So this is a project, guys, and if you want to deploy this, you have this command here, npm run build. This will build out the entire application and you can easily deploy this application. So if you're interested, definitely you can purchase it. So this is actually the full directory structure. Each file you will see. If you still face any problem, you can contact me after payment. I will definitely help you in running the project.